Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are healthy and healthy. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Mortgage. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic Unit-24, Lesson 1 to 7. I am repeating. Today our topic is Unit-24, Lesson 1 to 7. Students, this is lecture number 7 and today our homework will be number 5. Now students, please take your textbook. We are going to read from your text. So listen to me carefully. Today's topic is Unit 24, Lesson 1 to 7. The name of this unit is Cyclone Aila. What can you see in these pictures, students? In first picture, we can see the river is rising. In second picture, it shows the river flooded the field. In third picture, the wind is blowing the roof away. And at last, we can see in this picture, the workers are repairing the bridge. So, that's all are related to Cyclone Aila. Now, we will go to our main passage. Come to page 95. Cyclone Aila. Babul and his family live on the island of Dublar. Life is good for the family now, but that wasn't true after Cyclone Aila. Babul doesn't remember Cyclone Aila, but his parents often talk about that terrible night in 2009. Babul's father had a grocery shop and his mother worked in a fish farm. So, from these lines, we come to know that Babul's father, who had a grocery shop, and his mother used to work in a fish farm. They had a small house that they shared with Babul's grandparents. It means they are huge in family members. They are in joint families. Babul had his father, mother, grandfather, grandmother. They together used to live in their small house. Babul was just a baby, but his sister Nipa was 6 years old. Babul's father told him what happened that day. There was light rain in the morning on 25th May. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow and people began to run for their homes. Babul's father closed his shop and his mother came home. His grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. The torch was working and they had extra batteries. They put the torch, batteries and first aid kit in plastic box. So in this picture you can see people are running towards their houses. By the evening the river was rising. The winds of Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the house as if there was an earthquake. Everyone was afraid. Nipa began to cry. Suddenly, there was an awful noise and the family's roof blew away. So that time, Babul's family were out of roof because it was blew away due to wind. The sky was dark, but the family could see trees flying over their heads. Grandmother still says she saw fish flying through the sky. The next day was awful. Babul's family couldn't stop crying. Nipa and grandfather were gone. Babul's father went out to look for them. He found Nipa in a field. She was holding onto a tree and she was covered in mud. She didn't remember anything. He took Nipa at home and began looking for his father. He looked in the fields, the buildings, and in the trees. Many people in Bangladesh were missing after Cyclone Aila and Babul's grandfather was one of them. The family never found him. After Cyclone Aila, people worked together. Nipa's school became the shelter for the survivors. Babul and his family went to live in the school. The government of Bangladesh and workers from NGOs came to help, but things were very hard. There wasn't enough safe drinking water or food, so many people became ill. In time, people repaired their homes and rebuilt their villages and bridges. They planted new trees and new crops in their fields. Babul feels happy when he looks at the trees and his sister Nipa, but he feels sad about his grandfather. His grandmother says, "Don't be sad, Babul. Grandfather wants us to live for the future." So after cyclone Aila in our country in Bangladesh, many people lost their relatives, and among them Babul is one, because his family lost the older person. It means Babul's grandfather. Now students, I am providing your homework. Your homework will be exercise 8. Read about cyclone Aila again, complete the sentences. Students, in your homework copy you will write the number and sub number with the answer only. You don't have to pick the questions. You will write only answer. You have to read the text again and you have to find out the answers from the text. So I am writing. Your homework will be exercise E. Exercise E, page number 97. Page 97. So students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on due time. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.